In this video, we're going to be looking at the simple present. Hi, I'm Charlie. Welcome to Organic English. I'm here to help you become more fluent in English. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at the simple present tense. We're going to listen to a conversation all in the simple present. Don't forget to look in the description below. There you'll find a link to a transcript which will help you follow along. While you're there, please hit like if you like this video and subscribe if you want to see more. So before we listen to the conversation, let's review the simple present and look at some examples. The simple present is also called the present simple or present indefinite. So if you see these different terms, don't be confused. They're all the same thing. Simple present, present simple, present indefinite. So how do we use the simple present? Well, the simple present, firstly, is used to talk about repeated actions. When we talk about repeated actions, we're often also using an adverb of frequency, such as every day, always, often, sometimes, never, and there's others too. What do I mean by repeated actions? For example, I never drink orange juice. We go to the mountains every summer. We use the present simple also to talk about habits. Some examples are, he drinks tea at breakfast. She only eats fish. We can also use the present simple to talk about general truths, things that are generally known to be true. For example, the sun rises in the east. Her mother is Peruvian. We can also use the present simple to talk about fixed arrangements or scheduled events, such as in a timetable. For example, his mother arrives tomorrow. The ferry sails every morning at 8 o'clock. We also use the present simple to give instructions or directions. For example, open the packet and pour the contents into hot water. Turn to page 34 in your books. Present simple is also used to talk about feelings, opinions, states of mind. For example, she hates flying. I think he's a wonderful student. Now, we have to be careful. The present simple is not used to talk about actions that are happening right now. Okay? For that, we use the present continuous tense to talk about actions that are happening right now. For example, I catch the bus at 8:50 a.m. every day. This is in the present simple. An example of a similar sentence in the present continuous, I am riding the bus, an action that is happening right now. So let's listen to that conversation now. Keep in mind, in the description, there is a link to a transcript. This will help you follow along, so please go ahead and download that. It's completely free.
Papa, my birthday is on January 23rd.
I know, sweetie. I'm your dad, remember?
I always have a birthday party on my birthday.
Yes, you're right.
This year, I want to have my party at the water park.
The water park?
Yes, my friends like to swim and slide down the water slides. The water park is so much fun.
I'm not sure, honey. It's winter. The water park is closed.
I didn't know the water park is closed. What about the zoo? Can I have my party at the zoo?
I don't think so, sweetie. Not everyone likes the zoo. And it's expensive.
Do they let kids ride the giraffes?
I think that's against the rules. How about a party at our house?
Our house is boring. There are no water slides and no giraffes.
That's true. What do you want for your birthday?
I want a princess dress. a long pink dress.
Okay, that's all?
And a princess crown.
Okay.
And princess shoes, princess earrings, and a princess necklace.
Wow. Okay, so it's all about princesses.
Yeah.
Don't forget to go to organicenglish.club where you can sign up for my newsletter. Subscribers will get cheat sheets, mini lessons, and video updates direct to the inbox. Thanks for watching. Now go out and practice your English.